Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Hibiscus is an edible flowering plant native to parts of Africa and Asia, though it's cultivated in Mexico and Central America. In every Indian's garden, there are many different kinds of hibiscus. Even in our garden, there are 7 kinds of hibiscus. Many people who are growing a hibiscus plant choose to do so in a container. This allows them to move the hibiscus plant to ideal locations depending on the time of the year. Hibiscus plants prefer a cozy fit when growing in a container. Like in Delhi, there are very harsh weathers in Delhi. Like in summer, there is extreme hotness, and in winter, there is so cold. So, different kinds of care is preferred by a hibiscus plant in these different seasons. Look how our summer hibiscus plant turned into this. You will be able to notice that the leaves have turned brownish and there are very little small flowers or no flowers at all. And in this time, if extra care is not taken, this plant also may die. Those who had watched our previous winter videos already know how we took care of the plants in pots. Well, actually, it is normal for the plant, as in winter these plants will go in dormancy period. So the leaves will turn brownish and the flowers will reduce. In this period, there is no need for extra nutrients for your plant. So the first thing that my mom did was dig the soil and remove all the damaged, dead and dry leaves. Time to time, if you do not remove the damaged, dried leaves, this will be prone to insect attacks. And digging soil is helping your plant to get more air and oxygen. And in this process, my mom also did pruning for some plants. But right now, my mom prefers to only prune in spring season. But also the plant that she had pruned, new leaves are starting to come. But if you notice carefully, in each tip of the leaves there is insect attack. In any pest attack, the thing is, if you detect the pest attack on your plant early, the earlier the protection will be. If you watch our videos regularly, you will know that in these cases my mom uses either soap water or bioenzyme or neem leaf spray. So, preferring to my mom's first choice, my mom will clean these pests with soap water only. This is a liquid dishwasher. Add 5 ml dishwasher with 1 liter of water. Shake it and spray it to your plants. Also in this winter season, there is no rain at all, so in the pollutants does also fly, so our leaves tend to get dirty. So time to time make sure to clean your foliage with clean water or soap water. Oh, and I forgot, don't forget about the mulching of your plant. Mulching is nothing much, you just need to cover the topsoil with dry leaves, dry grass or paper. This will help your plant to deal with the extreme coldness. After using detergent water to clean all the pests away, make sure to wash your leaves with clean water also. And if you continue to do these tips for 3 to 4 days more, then you will be able to notice that all the pests will easily go away. Before also, in many videos I had told you about the health benefits of these hibiscus plants. The videos will be in the end screen. If you wish to, you can watch those videos. Also make sure in winter, water your plant less and keep it in a sunny area. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.